SpaceX, once rooted in California's innovation hub, has made a bold move, shifting its headquarters to Starbase, Texas. This decision marks a turning point not just for the company, but for the future of space exploration itself. This isn't just a change of address, it's a strategic leap for humanity's expansion into the solar system. By relocating, SpaceX is positioning itself at the forefront of a new era, where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being redefined. Elon Musk has declared that the future of SpaceX, especially the Starship program, will be built under Texas skies. Here, vision meets opportunity, and the dream of interplanetary travel becomes more tangible every day. Starship is the vehicle designed to take us to Mars, build bases on the moon, and revolutionize travel. It's more than a rocket, it's a symbol of human ambition and the relentless pursuit of the stars. To achieve this, SpaceX needs more than engineers and rockets. It needs a supportive launchpad of policy and partnership. Collaboration with local communities and government is essential to turn these bold visions into reality. Texas offers fewer obstacles and more room to grow, matching SpaceX's grand ambitions. The vast landscapes and open skies provide the perfect backdrop for building the future of spaceflight. The move marks the culmination of a gradual shift, with the command center and primary stage for the next era now in Boca Chica, Texas. This is where the next generation of missions will be launched and history will be made. California's teams remain vital, but the heart of SpaceX's future beats in Texas. The collaboration between both locations ensures innovation continues at an unprecedented pace. Here, SpaceX aims to build a fleet of starships, ready for missions once thought impossible. Each new rocket brings us closer to a multi-planetary future. The tide of innovation now flows from the Gulf Coast, setting the stage for humanity's next giant leap. As the sun rises over Starbase, a new chapter in our journey to the stars begins. Why leave California, the land of tech dreams? For SpaceX, it came down to mounting friction with state regulators. The California Coastal Commission, tasked with protecting the coastline, often clashed with SpaceX's need for speed and flexibility. Elon Musk has voiced frustration, suggesting regulatory delays felt targeted and stifling. For a company built on rapid iteration, unpredictable bureaucracy can be a mission killer. The process for approvals became increasingly complex, slowing down launches and innovation. SpaceX's philosophy, build, fly, test, repeat, clashed with California's slow, methodical oversight. The partnership that once fueled progress began to unravel. California prioritized environmental oversight, SpaceX prioritized reaching Mars. When visions diverge, separation is inevitable. Texas offered a path with far less resistance, and SpaceX seized it. Texas has rolled out the welcome mat for innovation, making it a magnet for companies like SpaceX. The state's bold approach to business and technology has created an environment where new ideas can take flight, and where ambitious projects are not just welcomed, but encouraged. The absence of state income tax and lower living costs attract top engineering talent. Here, professionals can enjoy a high quality of life while working on cutting-edge technology, making Texas a destination for the brightest minds in aerospace and beyond. State and local officials actively support SpaceX, seeing Starship as a symbol of prosperity. Their commitment goes beyond words, with real action to foster growth and innovation in the region. This partnership streamlines permits and expansions, crucial for unprecedented projects. The result is a fast-moving, flexible environment where SpaceX can build, test, and launch at a pace unmatched elsewhere. Texas's can-do spirit and history of risk-taking align perfectly with Musk's ethos. The state's legacy of bold ventures and frontier thinking is alive and well, fueling the next era of space exploration. Starbase, in a remote coastal area, offers what SpaceX needs most: space, vast, unencumbered land for building and launching the world's largest rocket. The location provides both privacy and freedom to innovate on a grand scale. The Boca Chica site allows for a fully integrated rocket factory and spaceport, where every stage of development can happen side by side. Here, starships can be assembled, rolled out, and launched within miles. This proximity accelerates progress and enables rapid iteration. The supportive climate and physical space create the ideal ecosystem for rapid Starship development. Texas offers the resources, the room, and the spirit to make the impossible possible. In Texas, SpaceX found a home that celebrates its audacious goals and provides the foundation for humanity's next giant leap. A key to SpaceX's future in Texas is the Air Separation Unit, or ASU, at Starbase. The ASU is a giant factory that turns air into liquid oxygen, critical fuel for Starship's Raptor engines. Previously, SpaceX relied on tanker trucks for liquid oxygen, risking costly delays. Now, on-site production means reliable, efficient operations and true self-sufficiency. The ASU enables a closed-loop system. Rockets built, tested, launched, and refueled rapidly. This vertical integration is classic Musk, controlling every step for speed and reliability. The ASU is more than machinery. It's SpaceX's declaration of independence from supply chain bottlenecks. It's the engine fueling the next era of frequent, ambitious launches. The ASU at Starbase is the backbone of Musk's vision for rapid rocket reusability, serving as the heart of a new era in spaceflight. To make space travel routine, rockets must be refueled and relaunched quickly, measured in days, not months. This shift is as dramatic as the leap from early aviation to modern air travel, where speed and efficiency are everything. On-site propellant production is essential for this high launch cadence, ensuring that every launch window can be seized without delay. SpaceX aims for up to 60 Starship missions per year, a rate once unimaginable and now within reach thanks to these innovations. This isn't just about satellites, it's about practicing the logistics needed for Mars colonization, testing every system and process on Earth before taking the leap to another planet. Rapid reusability slashes costs and opens new possibilities, from science to tourism, making space accessible to more people and industries than ever before. The ASU turns reusable rockets from an engineering marvel into a practical transport system, bridging the gap between innovation and everyday utility. Starship's immense fuel needs demand constant, reliable supply, now possible at Starbase, where infrastructure is built for scale and speed. SpaceX is solving not just how to reach space, but how to make it routine, safe, and sustainable for the future. The road to Mars is paved with logistics, and the ASU is laying the foundation for humanity's next giant leap. Despite the Texas shift, SpaceX isn't abandoning California. Hawthorne remains a hub for research, design, and Falcon 9 production. Vandenberg Space Force Base is still vital for polar orbit launches and national security missions. SpaceX's dual-state strategy offers flexibility and redundancy, serving a wide range of customers. Starbase leads interplanetary ambitions, while California supports established programs. It's not a departure but a strategic expansion, leveraging the strengths of both states. SpaceX's move to Texas aligns with U.S. national interests. Reliable, affordable access to space is now a strategic necessity. Federal agencies like NASA and the Department of Defense rely on SpaceX for critical launches. The integrated Starbase model sets a new standard for spaceports: mass production, rapid reusability, and efficiency. This shift signals a move from government-run facilities to dynamic commercial innovation. The partnership between SpaceX, Texas, and the federal government forms a unified front for exploration. By consolidating efforts in Texas, SpaceX doubles down on making humanity multi-planetary. With this bold move, SpaceX takes a giant leap for American leadership in the cosmos.